The World Nature Conservation Day is observed annually on July 28th. This occasion aims to create awareness about the need to preserve the environment and natural resources in order to keep the world healthy. And we at Inquisitive Boy on this occasion of World Nature Conservation Day has brought to you 10 easy ways to live a more eco-friendly lifestyle. First, eat less meat. Believe it or not, cutting back on your consumption of meat can make a huge difference in the environment. More than 30% of the earth's surface is being used to raise and support livestock. According to United Nations study, the livestock sector accounts for 9% of CO2 deriving from human related activities, but process a much larger share of even more harmful greenhouse gases. Use paper less and recycle more. The world we live in today is much more reliant on computers and digital technology. It is easy to go a day without using a notebook or even a piece of paper. The less paper you use, the less paper needs to be produced and the more trees that get to fill our forests. Use canvas bags instead of plastic. Most stores offer a canvas bag alternative to their wasteful generic plastic or paper bags. Although canvas bag might cost a small amount to acquire, they are actually more useful than you might think. Start a compost pile or a bin. Compost bins have become a huge trend throughout America and in India in the last few years, and for a good reason. Not only compost bins reduce waste by letting you reuse things you would normally just toss out, but they also save you money and help your plants grow better in your garden or your terrace. Purchase the right bulb. Don't run out today and replace all your light bulbs even though they are still working, but from next time, if your bulb burns out, replace it with a more eco-friendly brand. Replace your old bulb with a compact fluorescent light. CFL bulb can last more than 5 times longer and use much less electricity than regular light bulbs. Plus, they are brighter, which means you might be able to get away with using less lamps in your house. Choose cloth over paper. Instead of rushing to the store and purchasing a dozen of paper rolls and paper towels to clean your house, cut up an old t-shirt or other form of clothing and use that as rag instead. Cut down on energy in your house. There's a lot of way to cut back on energy you use in your house. These will lead in smaller energy bills and more money in your pocket. That is a win for you and a win for Earth as well. Borrow instead of buying. It is easy to waste money on things that you can easily borrow. Rent movies, borrow books from libraries, and buy second-hand goods when at all possible. By purchasing and using pre-owned items, you are reducing those items that need to be kept in a landfill and save yourself money. Grow desk plants. Incorporating and growing plants at your office spaces could bring you much more than fresh and direct oxygen. Having plants at your desk will not only give your office a homier vibe, but will also help in eliminating toxins and impurities from the air around you. Reduce the water waste. You can live a more eco-friendly lifestyle by using less water and cutting back on your bottled water purchases. Take a short shower in the morning or install a low-flow shower head when you receive your next water bill and it is significantly lower than the last one. Make this the year of positive changes. Whether you live in Delhi, Mumbai or anywhere in India, you can make a difference throughout the world when you make a small eco-friendly changes in your everyday life. Living a greener lifestyle doesn't have to be difficult. It can be as easy as shutting off light when you are no longer going to be in rooms. Plus, living an eco-friendly life will save you money. So, get started living an eco-friendly life today. If you really like the content of the video, do share it with your friends, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And do follow us on social media websites as well. Link will be in the description. Thanks for watching.